In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Monday.com. This integration can help streamline your workflows by connecting two powerful tools and enhancing your productivity. So, let's dive into the steps to set this up. First, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you intend to link your Google Drive. This board will be the hub for any actions or data exchanges between Monday.com and Google Drive. At the top right corner of your board, you'll notice a button with a puzzle piece icon labeled Integrate. Go ahead and click on that. When you're in the Integration Center, the task is to find the Google Drive integration. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar for quicker access. Once you've spotted the Google Drive app, click on it to proceed with the setup. Next up, we need to connect your Google Drive account. Click on Add to Board, which will prompt a pop-up window. This window will guide you to sign in to your Google account, granting Monday.com the necessary permissions to access your Google Drive. Be sure to allow these permissions for the integration to function smoothly. After connecting your account, it's time to choose an integration recipe, essentially preset automation that Monday.com offers. Let's look at some examples to better understand what these recipes entail. One recipe could automatically create an item in Monday.com whenever a file is added to a specific Google Drive folder. Another recipe might upload a file to Google Drive whenever a status changes in Monday.com. You can also directly attach Google Drive files to items within Monday.com. Choose the recipe that best aligns with your workflow needs. Once your integration recipe is selected, you can further customize it. Decide on which Google Drive folder you want to connect and map the fields you wish to sync between Monday.com and Google Drive. This could be relevant data points like task names or file names. Now, integrating Google Drive files into your Monday.com items is just as simple. On any item within your Monday.com board, you can click on the File column or Update section. From there, select Google Drive and attach your files directly. Finally, it's crucial to ensure everything is working correctly. Test your integration by uploading a file to your designated Google Drive folder or updating an item in Monday.com. Check to see that everything syncs according to the recipe you configured. And there you have it. Your Google Drive is now integrated with Monday.com, and you're ready to leverage this dynamic duo to boost your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your tasks more effectively.